Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to delete or undelete TikTok videos. So we are in profile. So first we are going to delete video. Now click on it, and then you see three dots. So again click on it. Now you see delete button. So click on it. Now you see delete. Restore post within 30 days from activity center in setting. So click on delete. Now you see deleted. So we delete video. Now we are going to undelete restore video. So we are in profile. On top you see three lines. So click on it. And then you see setting and privacy. So again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy. Now you see activity center. So again click on it. So we are in activity center and then you see recently deleted. So again click on it. So this is our video. So we are going to restore. So click on it. So when we open video, now you see restore button. So click on it. Again click on restore. Now you see video restore done. So in this way you can delete or undelete video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.